Welcome to Guided Meditation Voyage. Today we embark on a journey to clear your mind, release tension, and bring you back to a state of peaceful clarity. In the next 10 minutes, allow yourself to let go of any thoughts, worries, or distractions. This time is yours, a gift to yourself to recharge, to reconnect, and to reset. As we begin, gently close your eyes and take a deep, nourishing breath in, filling your lungs completely. And as you slowly exhale, imagine any tension or heaviness gently leaving your body, drifting away with each breath. Feel yourself beginning to settle, grounding in the present moment. Now, take another deep breath in, and this time as you exhale, release any thoughts of what came before this moment, any worries or plans. Allow yourself to fully arrive here now in this peaceful space. Know that you are safe, you are held, and this time is completely for you. Bring your awareness to the top of your head, noticing if there's any tightness or tension. Imagine a warm, gentle light starting to flow over your head, relaxing every muscle it touches. Let it soften your forehead, ease any tightness in your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath, gentle, flowing, effortless. No need to change it, just observe it. Feel the rise and fall of your chest with each breath, the calm energy moving in and out. Now, let this warm light travel down, slowly soothing your neck, releasing any stress in your shoulders, melting away any weight you might be carrying. Let your shoulders drop, allowing yourself to fully relax. Feel this light flowing down your arm, into your hands, all the way to your fingertips. Imagine each muscle in your body softening, loosening, letting go. Allow this light to flow down your chest, relaxing each breath as it moves in and out, steady and calm. Let this gentle warmth continue down your body, reaching your stomach, your hips, releasing any tension or tightness. Imagine it moving through your legs, past your knees, all the way to your feet. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the ground, feeling rooted, steady, and supported. Know that in this moment you are safe, and you can allow yourself to completely let go. Take a few moments to just breathe and be present with the stillness, with the calm you're creating. Each breath is a reminder that you're exactly where you need to be. Now, let's turn our attention to the mind. Picture your mind as a clear, still lake. Notice if there are any ripples or disturbances on its surface, perhaps lingering thoughts, worries, or emotions. Acknowledge each one that arises, but don't hold on to it. Imagine each thought as a leaf floating on the water. Observe it gently drifting across the surface and watch as it floats away, disappearing from view. This is your time to rest, to let go. There's no need to analyze, solve, or hold on to anything. With each breath, give yourself permission to release these thoughts, to allow them to gently pass by. Feel the surface of this lake growing still, calm, and clear. If any new thoughts arise, imagine them too as leaves that drift on by. Simply observe them without judgment, without attachment, letting them float out of sight. Now that you've created a sense of stillness, let's invite a feeling of clarity into this space. Visualize a soft, radiant light above you, glowing with a clear and gentle brightness. Picture this light descending, filling your mind, illuminating any areas that felt clouded or heavy. Feel it clearing away any remaining fog, any confusion, or any mental clutter. This light brings with it a profound sense of clarity, focus, and peace. Let each breath you take draw this clarity deeper into your mind, filling every corner with light and calm. Repeat silently to yourself, allowing each word to resonate within you. I am calm, I am clear, I am at peace. Allow these words to flow through you, feeling the sense of clarity deepening with each repetition. Trust that in this moment you are exactly where you need to be. That peace and clarity are already within you, simply waiting to be embraced. Slowly bring your awareness back to your breath, noticing the gentle rise and fall. Begin to notice the space around you, the surface you're resting on, the feeling of your body in this moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing small movements back to your body. Take one more deep cleansing breath in. And as you exhale, feel a renewed sense of clarity, lightness, and calm. Thank you for sharing this journey with me. If this meditation brought you peace and clarity, please like, share, and subscribe to Guided Meditation Voyage for more peaceful journeys. Namaste.